So of the 4 options available for purchase on MyOrigins, you can buy them individually or collectively. And on this page here, if you press the prices tag, you will see all the various prices. In this case, this is American dollars. So let's look at Tree Grower. Now in this case, I've already got deep past the Ancestry DNA version, which is the most sophisticated version of DeepPast, already in my cart. And if you do have your DNA results, I do recommend that as an addition, because these two will link into each other. But sticking on Tree Grower for now, what you can see is that there are various options for research. Just choose your option. There's 5 hours if you're just looking to get a very basic investigation, maybe 1 individual, 2 individuals, or specific records or a dead end or such like, and you just want to spend a few hours of research time to see where that goes, because you've already investigated it yourself perhaps in the past, so you're not sure about the information. If you're more convinced about the information you have, or you want a significant investigation, this could be 10 hours of 1 to 2 generations, depending on how difficult it is to verify the information. And then 20 hours, well, that's basically a full tree, pretty much up to 4 generations, certainly a couple of centuries, generally speaking. Though again, if it's very hard to find the information, sometimes it can take longer. But as a general rule, 20 hours on Tree Grower at a cost here of 540 American, that's pretty much going to get you the vast majority of what you need to know, unless you come from nobility and you happen to know your ancestry before, say, the mid 1700s, which is what 20 hours would generally give you. So you can see all the information there, and you've got examples here which you can watch, and will show you some of the research I've done in the past for prior clients. And again, if you need more information, just put the information in there and I'll be in touch. And you just click the purchase key if you're interested.